I just want to quickly go over one of the PowerToys tools. It's called the Text Extractor, and what it does is copy text from anywhere on screen. And when I say anywhere on screen, it's literally anywhere on screen. Just to very quickly demo this, let's say I have this file explorer and I have all these files and I want to copy all of these names and put them in an Excel sheet. What I will have to do is activate the shortcut, which is the Windows button Shift and T. So let's go ahead and do that. Windows button Shift T. Now we can select all of these names, and then I'll open an Excel file and I just Control V and paste all of them here. Now let's say that it's a text that we found on the internet and we just want to extract the text from the image. So let's go ahead and open the Edge browser. We have a text here. I just want to copy this text. So let's go ahead again, Windows Shift T. Let's copy this. And now we can open a Word file and Control V it. And there it is. As a matter of fact, when I said anywhere on screen, it is really anywhere on screen. If I hold the Windows Shift T button again and I select the menu here, and I go down, Control V, you see that it even copied that. So very powerful, and hopefully it can help you.